Right, tell you there champs, and today I'm very excited. You need to watch this because this ain't any ordinary AMD 5800H. This one's a special one. And it's fair to say, today you'll see a floppy disk drive turn into a solid state because this is not a Ryzen 7 5800H. No. This is the Ryzen 9 5000H X. Yes, overclockable WOOF. And if this doesn't get your Ryzen, nothing will. And you can see in the background here, I have my dream GPU. Yes, this is the ROG Strix 3090 White Edition. Oh my God, I'm so excited for that. I'm going to unbox it soon. I have already done it. I've filmed it. And what you get in that is a championship Super Bowl ring. Yes, you might be wondering, why is this in the background? That's because this ring, I'm going to unbox this 5800HX with this Super Bowl ring on. Put it on here. Woof. That is the only way to fly, and I can't wait to get this in my machine. Oh, anyway, let's unbox this thing here. Of course, it is new. So the rule here at Tech is if it's new, I unbox it. It is the ASUS ROG SCAR. So it's the G533Q. And in this, we have a 15.6 inch full HD. It's black. It's telling me, I think 32 gigs. AMD 5900HX. I have no idea how to overclock this. Leave a comment down there. I think I'll use Ryzen Master. I don't know. But anyway, I am going to try and kill this thing. Please, ASUS, don't watch. I'm going to overclock the hell out of it as much as I can get out of this. So stay tuned for that. 1 terabyte SSD. Yeah, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Let's just unbox it. Oh, there's never a knife when you need one, is there? Oh, what is this? What does my ring look like? A bit of bling there. It's actually got diamonds on it and everything. Awesome. I love that thing. So anyway, for those who dare, it's like who dares win, the SAS style. I love how they present their stuff. You can see there, you open the box, it presents the laptop here. Oh, let's get this laptop out for a sec. There you can see the beast of a unit. And I love these laptops. These SCARs are friggin' amazing. You can get SCAR 15, SCAR 17, liquid metal with a 5900H. So what it says here is 300 Hertz, 3 millisecond, aura sync, liquid metal, optical mechanical keyboard. What? Mechanical keyboard, wow. 100 watts, USB Type-C charging. Now, no Thunderbolt, unfortunately. Come on. This is nothing to do with ASUS. It's got nothing to do with them. But AMD, we need some, USB 4 at least. Come on, where's the Thunderbolt? And we have some noise cancelling. That thing is no joke. I've actually reviewed a product with this noise cancelling, ASUS noise cancelling, and it works like the Nvidia voice or whatever it is. It cancels everything out in the background. Dolby Atmos. Wow. Dolby Atmos, crystal clear sound, wow. So I like these things, they're no nonsense gaming. They give you the performance you want, and you can't tell me now they're not the specs you want because 5800HX, wow. That is definitely what you want. Now, how powerful is this power brick? It's a small power brick and 240 watts. 240 watts, interesting. I don't even know what GPU it has, but it definitely has the CPU I want anyway. So basically that's your power brick. Some literature there. Whoa, what have we got in here? Ooh, what is that? They give me championship rings. They give me... What is this? I have no idea. I guess that's some sort of embellishment for the laptop. I have no idea. I don't care. I have my championship ring. And now I've got this. I'm just rocking it. Alright, so I'll just get this out of the way. That's for desktop noobs. So as you might be able to tell, I'm pretty excited here. Oh, so let's open her up. There you have it. Woof. Look at that. Nice embellishments there on the top. Got the art. What the hell? Does that light up? You can see the ROG. It says in there ROG something. Can you see the writing in here? No, it's not that heavy. We have some ports on the back. We have USB Type-C, HDMI, it should be 2.1. We have Ethernet and the power. On the left-hand side, we have 2 USB Type-A's and we have a combination audio jack. This is underglow RGB there. Look at the bottom there. What do we have on the right-hand side? On the right-hand side, you just have that key there. And that's where you put that, your profile key or whatever. So let's open her up. 100 watts USB-C, that's very interesting. Oh, have a look there. 8 cores overclocked, baby. Woo! Now, I am a little bit concerned about being 230 watts because you can imagine 8 cores overclocked. And I don't know what GPU this has. It might be only like a 95 watt, or we'll have to have a look. But 240 watts, it's not that much. Oh, there you get the underglow there. It's not that much for, 8 cores overclocked plus a GPU. You would expect a bigger sort of power supply. So it may be power limited, but hopefully we can overclock the hell out of this thing and see. Oh, have a listen to that. That gets me Ryzen. I haven't had a Ryzen. This is my first one, and I hit the jackpot with my first one. 8 cores overclocked, baby. That's the way we roll. That is the way to fly. So solid build there. You have the number pad thing there, which is awesome. So this can be a number pad. And that key goes in here. I'll show you. I still don't know what these things are for. So it's telling me here that this is armor, replacing customizable armor caps. What's armor caps? Ah, oh, I see. These things.
Need an assistive screen reader.
Be quiet, please. Here it is. This thing here comes off.
Is set to the United States.
Oh, there you go, baby. Hey, she won't shut up. Australia. So I can replace these things with that one. Well, that's the one I actually have. You can have a clear one. I don't know what you want a clear one for. Yeah, nah, Siri. Don't you understand, mate? Come on, Australia. Oh.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Bloody oath, Stroof, mate, Stroof.
Do you also type with another?
No. Never do this.
Want to use that one?
No. I do not have internet, because if you sign in and say I got internet, then they want you to sign into the Microsoft account. This is a trap. I have no internet. I am in a village.
Just so you know, connecting to a network now can save you
no.
If you want to get that out of the way, choose yes.
No, you're not selling it to me. I'm not using my Microsoft account. It's a trap. Go away. Limited. I love Limited. Limited is my name. Oh, God. We'll see the other one here. We're going silver. We're going Silver Fox, baby. Change this one over here for the silver one. Yes, that one looks the best. Who's going to be using this PC? Me. There you go. That's me. Do I want a password? No. Passwords for wimps. So I survived Microsoft Cortana. Just. Listen. Oh! That's pretty cool. That'll save your profiles and stuff like that. Now, let's have a look what GPU we have. Oh, wow. Woof. Wow. A 3080. Wow. Wow. It doesn't get any better than that. We have the 5800 HX and a RTX 3080. Now, 240 watt package, that's got to be a 95 watt or 100 watt or something like that. I can't imagine it's 130 watt. I could be wrong. And we have to find out how we overclock this CPU, because I have no idea. Display 300 Hertz. Now, if I press this magic key, we usually have an overclock sort of thing here. And this is where you overclock the GPU and etc. Alright, so I could just put it in its turbo mode, I guess. Alright, so what it looks like here is I can overclock the CPU and GPU in this software here. And if we have a look at the CPU, it looks like I can do 54 watts. And the interesting thing is when I set it in turbo mode, I think that sets the wattage anyway at its maximum there. So I don't know if I can use some sort of, Ryzen master or something like that to overclock the CPU more, but it looks like definitely in the Armor Crate software, which is their sort of like overclocking software, I can, do the fan curve there. But I've also got a slider here that says 54 watts CPU and 80 watts SPPT. So I think that's the maximum. So I guess maybe that's as much as you can overclock them. So basically, if you put it in turbo mode, you're overclocking that CPU as much as you can anyway. I'll have to look into that, but you can definitely go to the GPU and add more megahertz on the GPU and overclocks on the GPU there. So that's very interesting. Now also here we have the switchable graphics. So I can have iGPU mode, it looks like, and you can actually overdrive the panel as well. So I definitely love overdriving my panel. It can have overshoot and stuff like that, but I just love to overdrive the panel. It's just one thing I like to do. Also here we can have power saver, so that means how many hertz the display is. But it looks like when you put it in turbo mode, the only thing you can overclock after that really is the GPU. Now I'm going to have to look if there's separate software with this. I'm ignorant. I don't know. I've never had one of these overclockable Ryzens before. So I'll leave it here. I'm going to have to look into the overclocking and stuff like that. But this thing is a beast. I mean, it doesn't get any better. Ryzen 9 5800 HX overclockable. Woof, woof. And yes, RTX 3080. Doesn't get any better. The only concern I have really here is 240 watts. Is it going to be enough for this beast? Yeah, we'll find out, won't we? So anyway, hope you got something out of this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Tally ho.